How to turn off camera on TikTok Live. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off camera on your TikTok Live. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open the TikTok app with your logged in account. So simply open the TikTok. Alright, so after you open the TikTok from your account, you will got such interface. So from here to start a live, you'll have to just tap on that plus icon just at the bottom. So simply tap on it. And now from here to start a live, make sure you have the limited followers to start a live. So if you are not eligible to start a live, you can't do live from your TikTok account. So like you have the at least 1000 followers from your account. So after you are eligible to perform that, you'll be able to go with the options like start live. Now from here you'll have to tap on this go live option. Alright, so after you tap on that, you'll be able to start your live from your account. Once you start live from your account, you'll be able to find the options like camera. So it usually appear at the top side of your screen. So simply tap on that camera option. And now from here you can easily turn on or turn off the camera on your TikTok live. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.